Why quality comes first and how it impacts our pricing. When selecting an exterior cleaning service, cost is the most common consideration. You may have noticed that RedClean's pricing sometimes falls on the higher end of the spectrum compared to our competitors, while at other times it may seem more budget friendly. This fluctuation in pricing isn't arbitrary, it's a result of our unwavering commitment to delivering exceptional quality through our investment in the latest equipment, ongoing training, and the use of the best chemicals available. We are always completely transparent about our charges, and we believe that we offer a fair pricing structure for all of our services. The pursuit of excellence. At RedClean, we've always believed that excellence should be non-negotiable. We strive to be at the forefront of our industry, setting the standard for quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. This commitment to excellence is at the heart of everything that we do, from our services to our products and equipment. Investing in the latest equipment. One of the critical reasons why RedClean may seem more expensive than our competitors is our dedication to using the latest and most advanced equipment available in the cleaning industry. Here's why this investment is worth every penny. Efficiency. Advanced equipment allows us to complete cleaning tasks faster and more efficiently. This translates to less time spent on your property and lower labour costs. Quality of work. Equipment quality directly affects our work quality. Modern tools enable us to achieve superior results, leaving your property looking its best. Safety. Newer equipment often includes safety features that reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. Our commitment to the well-being of our team and your property is non-negotiable. Environmental impact. Many modern cleaning machines are designed to be eco-friendly, using less water and chemicals while producing less waste. This aligns with our commitment to sustainability. Continuous training, a must-have investment. Our dedication to delivering top-tier service doesn't end with the advanced equipment. We recognise that our team is our most valuable asset, and that's why we invest heavily in continuous training and development. Here's why the investment is essential. Skill enhancement. Regular training ensures that our technicians stay at the forefront of the industry best practices and techniques. This translates to better results for you. Safety protocols. Our team is trained in the latest safety protocols and procedures, reducing the risk of accidents or damage to your property. Adaptability. The cleaning industry is constantly evolving. Ongoing training allows us to adapt efficiently and effectively to new challenges, technologies, and customer needs. Customer service. Our training goes beyond technical skills. It includes customer service training to ensure our interactions with you are professional, friendly, and responsive. Chemicals for a better clean. Regarding cleaning, the quality of the chemicals used can make all the difference. While some competitors may opt for a budget-friendly solution, RedClean insists on using only the best chemicals available for several compelling reasons. Effective cleaning. High-quality chemicals are more effective at breaking down dirt and grime and contaminants, ensuring a thorough and long-lasting clean. Environmental responsibility. We prioritise eco-friendly options that are safe for the environment and your property without compromising the cleaning power. Health and safety. The chemicals that we use are selected for our team and your family's safety. We take every precaution to minimise risks. Longevity. Using premium chemicals, we can help protect your surfaces from future damage, ensuring that you get the most value for our cleaning services. Fair pricing for an excellent service. We understand that pricing can be a significant factor in the decision-making process, and we strive to offer a fair price for excellence that we can deliver. Here's why we believe our pricing is justified. Value for money. When you choose RedClean, you're not just paying for a service, but you're investing in quality, safety, and professionalism. Our results speak for themselves. Long-term savings. While our pricing may seem higher upfront, our commitment to quality and the use of the premium equipment and chemicals can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent cleaning or repairs. Peace of mind. With RedClean, you can trust that the job will be done right the first time, every time. Our focus on excellence ensures that you get the best possible service for your investment. Customisation. We offer a range of service packages to accommodate various budgets and needs. We can tailor our services to fit your specific requirements. In conclusion, our pricing justifies RedClean's commitment to excellence for advanced equipment, continuous training, and the best chemicals available. While we may appear more expensive than some of our competitors, the value that you receive in return is unparalleled. When you choose RedClean, you're not just hiring a cleaning service, you're partnering with a team of professionals dedicated to delivering the best results for your property. We invite you to experience the RedClean difference and discover why quality always comes first in everything that we do.